Welcome to Rift Airsoft's The Ridge. With its dusty environment, sheer cliff faces and steep inclines, this battle sim is going to be a challenge. Our objectives are being given, and I'm heading out to the highest point on the game field. For this job, I'll need a capable sniper rifle, so I'm taking with me the brand new Silverback VKS. With its enormous suppressor, my shots should remain undetected. The ridge I'm heading to gives me a perfect view over Assassin's Peak. A PMC is said to be launching attack drones from this location. I'm going to take out anything that moves there until friendlies arrive with a device to destroy the facility.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Ghillie, yeah, we have PMC up on Assassin's Peak. Commencing engagement.
Oh. Lovely. Oh, what a death as well. This thing's just buttery smooth.
I think we have another customer. CamMan to assault team, I have a drone buzzing around near me on the ridge. Roger. CamMan to Ghillie, be warned, PMC are now pushing on your location.
Too much wind. Got him as well. How many big bits I've got left in there? Some of max swap just in case. I think got a couple in there. Careful, careful, because they're now approaching on that side over there. There was a couple trying to get down on that right hand side, the low ground, and there's some on the high ground up there as well.
A friendly assault team arrived to help us push through and clear Assassin's Peak.
I can see you and Foxy, yeah, I'm on that ridge now looking over you. There's no, you might be able to get down on the right hand side. If you go to your right, it looks very quiet down there, and you might be able to come up behind them. Down the hill a bit, down the hill and around to the left. It looks clear for now. One approaching. You've got one approaching you, one approaching on the dusty track, round the corner. If you send Foxy round the corner, he probably has range on them. Yeah, there's some up high now, some up high. Down low again, down low on the dusty truck. Was that me or you?
Either way.
You got him? Yeah, nice. Oh.
With the assault team's support, Assassin's Peak is finally secure. My job on the ridge is done, so I head down to link up with my fellow Ghillie snipers.
Look at the state of this, man. Right, let's go for it. Okay, I think I'm on my way to you now. Whereabouts are you now?
Pushed over to the other side of that hill that we've got on.
Yeah, I'm coming up right behind you.
To stop any more drones from launching, we need to find an EMP and activate it on Assassin's Peak.
We've got contact up ahead.
The assault team on the low ground comes under heavy fire. I drop back and swing around the flank to support them.
This is the new Silverback VKS. And no, I am not compensating for anything. We've got a box down there of some description. I can't see what it is from here, but about 30 metres up. Box on your right. There's a box on your right hand side.
Those extra mortars are sure to come in handy for the assault guys.
There's a load going that way.
The assault team has secured the EMP.
Drone EMP if we need it on the Assassins.
Now they need to fight their way back to the drone launch site on Assassin's Peak. The assault team pushes straight to Assassin's Peak, while I slip around the back.
Medical supplies. Once we run out of medical supplies, we're going to fall back to our base.
Did I just get you? F***ing serious.
The package has been delivered. The order is given to fall back to base, and that's mission complete. If you want to see me use an airsoft rifle that the internet seems very divided on, then check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.